Alright, so Aiden has started his puzzle. Mama has started her puzzle.
Welcome to Aiden's world.
Hey Aiden,
Hi.
what are you doing today?
You're playing puzzle.
Puzzle? What puzzle is this? Solar system.
Yes, your mama doing.
And Mama will also join you?
Yeah.
Mama, which puzzle are you doing?
India map.
India map?
Yes.
Alright.
Mama ready to become a star.
Let's see. Aiden has started his puzzle. Mama has started her puzzle. Let's see. So Aiden needs to do the solar system. Yeah, something like this. Mama is going to do the India map puzzle, which is going to look something like this. So let's see who finishes first. Aiden or Mama? Okay, let's see who has finished how much. Wow, Aiden, you seem to have made some progress. You are making your puzzle come together. Let us see how much Mama has done. Mama, you have not done anything?
I'm not able to get anything. I don't know.
No, she's still searching. She's still searching. Mama, are you doing this puzzle for the first time?
Yeah.
Aiden, how many times have you done this before?
4.
4 times only? Don't lie, I know you've done more than 4 times.
5.
That's why you're doing it so fast and Mama is struggling over there. Still, let us see who finishes first. Come on, Aiden. Aiden is making various different pieces. Various parts together he's putting. And Mama is still searching for each state.
Gujarat किधर है?
Gujarat? Where's Gujarat? Gujarat is to the north of Maharashtra.
Yeah, it's below Rajasthan, but it's
Yes. So Aiden, what is this?
This is the sun.
Do you know the names of the 9 planets? 9 planets or 8 planets? We have 8 planets now. It's no more 9. Pluto is no more a planet. Okay, tell me after the sun, which is the first planet? Closest to the sun rather. Which is the planet closest to the sun? Yeah. See, you have a clue here. Which is the planet closest to the sun? Which one?
Mercury.
Mercury, that's right. And after Mercury, what comes?
Venus.
Venus. And
Earth.
then Earth. Nice. After Earth?
Mars.
Mars. That's right.
It sounds same like a Mars when you go out on this planet.
Yes.
I'm getting confused.
Do you know after Mars which planet comes?
No. I don't know any opposite planets.
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
And after Jupiter?
Saturn.
Nice. And after Saturn?
Uranus.
Uranus. Is there any after Uranus? Is there any planet left?
I don't think so.
Neptune.
Neptune.
You forgot Neptune.
so fast, I do.
Wow, Aiden, you have finished your puzzle.
Because I'm Benson.
Your pen 10. How much Mama has done? Oh no, still so much to
25
do.
minutes are complete.
Come on, Aiden, you want to help Mama?
I do come, you know all this thing, na? The
Can you help
oceans and
Mama?
all, put the oceans and all for me, na?
Let me see you help Mama.
See, ocean has to be,
Aiden, I see you can really fix puzzles, huh? You're really good at solving puzzles.
Finished.
Awesome, finally. Was there any piece missing?
No.
I don't know.
So Mama, what happened? You were saying there was a piece missing?
I'm doing it after so long.
Ah,
I
let us see this. You helped?
Thank you, Aiden. Thanks for helping.
So anyways, so since Aiden finished his puzzle first, Aiden
Well,
wins!
All the games I win.
Yay!
smarty Aiden.
So Aiden,
I want to tell you something.
tell me.
This planet goes in here. This 4 planets inside here. Fits.
That's not a planet, that's the country
Yes.
which is part of
This.
that planet. That's right.
So when in our planet, all of this are inside this planet. Now,
Yes!
okay, so now this story to the cow view.
Nice! So you enjoyed doing your puzzle?
Yes, planets are going to here, going round here.
Alright.
Going.
So Aiden, see you in the next.
We see